Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make your own cotton candy sugar. Start with granulated sugar, the foundation for your homemade cotton candy. The key is achieving a very fine consistency, much finer than regular table sugar. This ensures it melts properly in the cotton candy machine. We'll also incorporate food coloring to create those classic, fun colors. This method is straightforward and yields perfect results every time, giving you delicious, fluffy cotton candy. Once your granulated sugar is ready, place it in a food processor. Pulse it in short bursts, about 15 to 20 seconds at a time, to avoid clumping and overheating. You want a texture that's almost like confectioner's sugar. Then, add your liquid food coloring, just a few drops, and pulse again until the color is uniform throughout the sugar. This creates a beautiful, vibrant base. Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more sweet content. Quick recommendation. On another note, keeping your kitchen clean after making treats can be a chore. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is a game changer, handling pet hair and everyday messes with voice control and self-emptying convenience. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. After coloring, spread your sugar mixture thinly on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. This step is crucial for drying out any moisture introduced by the food coloring. Let it air dry for several hours or even overnight to ensure it's completely dry. Once dry, transfer your homemade cotton candy sugar to an airtight container. It will stay fresh for up to 6 months, ready for your next sweet treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.